Welcome to the channel. Today, we're bringing the workshop to you as we slice into the top 5 best portable table saws, perfect for job sites, small shops, or any project where you need precision on the go. I've put these saws through their paces, selecting top performers based on their cutting accuracy, power, portability, and key features like fence systems and safety. For all the up-to-date pricing and detailed specs on each model, make sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tool reviews. Let's kick off our countdown with number 5 on our list. Number 5. SKIL Heavy Duty Portable Table Saw. The SKIL Saw Worm Drive Saw is built for precision and power, featuring legendary worm drive gearing that delivers a 3 5/8 inch depth of cut and an impressive 30.5 inch rip capacity. Its precision rack and pinion fence system allows you to adjust the fence smoothly and quickly for highly accurate cuts every time. Designed for mobility and convenience, the rugged rolling stand comes with 16-inch wheels and easy load handles, making it simple to transport and set up anywhere on the job site. The dust port elbow efficiently contains debris in one area, helping keep your workspace clean. For handling larger materials, the saw includes both outfeed and left support, allowing a single person to manage bigger cuts safely and comfortably. This powerful, portable, and precise saw is an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIYers tackling tough woodworking projects. Number 4. Bosch Portable Jobsite Table Saw. The Bosch 15-amp saw delivers powerful performance with a high-speed 3,800 RPM motor, ideal for precise rip cutting and cross-cutting on fine and hardwood materials. Its convenience brake helps the blade stop quickly, in just about 3 seconds, boosting productivity and safety on the job. Designed for versatility, the saw features clamp zone areas on the tabletop that let you use it as a secondary work surface for light-duty tasks. The open frame roll bar and lightweight construction add durability while keeping the tool easy to handle. Soft start circuitry manages motor startup intensity to prevent tripping circuit breakers, and electronically regulated speed maintains consistent power even under load. For added portability, the saw pairs perfectly with the included GTA 50W Gravity Rise wheeled stand, which allows for effortless single-action setup and takedown, making this Bosch saw a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly tool for any woodworking project. Number 3. Metabo HPT 36V Portable Table Saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch cordless table saw combines power and precision for all your woodworking needs. Its 36V brushless motor spins at 5,000 RPM, delivering smooth, accurate cuts, even through tough materials. The saw features an impressive table size, offering 35 inches of ripping capacity to the right and 22 inches to the left, providing excellent support for larger workpieces and enhancing both precision and safety. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks, this saw boasts the highest rip capacity in its cordless class, along with a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees for versatile cutting angles. It's part of Metabo HPT's multi-volt platform, which gives you the flexibility to use the saw cordlessly with a battery or plugged in for maximum power. Built to last and backed by a 2-year warranty, this Japanese-engineered table saw is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who demand reliability and performance. Number 2. DeWalt Table Saw with Rolling Stand. The DeWalt corded table saw delivers powerful performance and precision for all your woodworking projects. Featuring a rack and pinion telescoping fence system, fence adjustments are fast, smooth, and highly accurate. With a generous 32.5-inch rip capacity, it easily handles larger shelving and trim materials, giving you versatility on every cut. This saw includes patented material support that's perfect for narrow rip cuts, ensuring stability and safety. The onboard storage system keeps your blade guard assembly, fence, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, push stick, and cord wrap neatly organized and within reach, making setup and cleanup hassle-free. Its rolling stand is designed for quick setup and breakdown, offering excellent stability on any job site. Plus, the telescoping fence rails retract for compact portability. The flip-over ripping fence adds more flexibility for narrow cuts, making this DeWalt saw an essential tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 1. SKIL 10-inch Portable Jobsite Table Saw. The SKIL 10-inch table saw offers reliable performance for all your woodworking projects. Its rack and pinion fence rails ensure the fence stays perfectly parallel to the blade, allowing for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts every time. With a cutting capacity of up to 4 by 4 inches at 90 degrees, this saw can handle a variety of wood sizes with ease. The saw features a 2 to 47 degrees bevel capacity with positive stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees, letting you make precise angled cuts quickly with the convenient quick-release lever. A micro-adjustment feature allows you to align the blade parallel to both the rip fence and miter slot for enhanced accuracy. Portability is a breeze thanks to the integrated folding stand, which folds up for easy storage and transport. Plus, the dust port elbow redirects sawdust to a container, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer during operation. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.